How to make money with OpenClaw. Want to turn OpenClaw into a real income stream? Here's how to get started. First, understand what OpenClaw does best. It lets you automate tasks, generate content, and build tools quickly. That means your opportunity is speed, doing things faster and at scale. One simple method is offering services. Use OpenClaw to create content for clients, like blog posts, product descriptions, or social media. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and deliver faster than competitors. Second, build and sell digital products. Think ebooks, templates, or even small tools. OpenClaw can help you create these in a fraction of the time, letting you focus on selling. Third, automate niche websites or pages. Generate SEO content, drive traffic, and monetize with ads or affiliate links. This works especially well if you target specific, low-competition niches. Finally, think long-term. Instead of one-off tasks, build systems, automations that keep generating value while you sleep. OpenClaw isn't just a tool, it's leverage. Use it right, and you're not trading time for money anymore.